Best steamer basket. Bamboo steamer baskets are essential tools for anyone who loves cooking Asian cuisine. They offer a traditional method for steaming food, retaining nutrients and flavors. These baskets are eco-friendly, crafted from natural bamboo, and are suitable for steaming dumplings, vegetables, fish, and more. List number 1. Chen 2-tier bamboo. Experience the art of traditional cooking with Chen's 2-tier bamboo steamer baskets. Crafted from high-quality bamboo, these 10-inch baskets offer a natural way to steam food. Perfect for vegetables, dumplings, and more, they deliver delicious flavors while retaining nutrients. Lightweight and easy to use, they're a delightful addition to any kitchen. Enjoy healthy meals with a touch of authenticity. Advantages: efficient cooking. Steam multiple dishes at once with 2 tiers. Eco-friendly material. Bamboo is natural and sustainable, reducing plastic use. Healthy meals. Retains nutrients and flavors without oils or fats. Versatile use. Ideal for vegetables, dumplings, fish, and more. Easy storage. Compact design fits neatly in kitchen cabinets. List number 2. TierPremiumBambooSteamer. Discover the joy of cooking with the TierPremiumBambooSteamer basket set. This 10-inch steamer includes side handles, making it easy to handle. Perfect for steaming dim sum, dumplings, buns, and more. The set comes with chopsticks, ceramic sauce dishes, and paper liners. Enjoy healthy and delicious meals with this versatile kitchen tool. Ideal for preparing a variety of Asian foods at home. Advantages: perfect for cooking healthy Asian meals. The bamboo steamer enhances flavors naturally. Convenient side handles ensure easy transport. No spills or burns when moving. Includes chopsticks and sauce dishes for complete dining experience. Everything needed for authentic meals. Paper liners prevent food sticking. Cleanup becomes quick and hassle-free. Ideal for dumplings, buns, and seafood. Versatile for various tasty dishes. List number 6-inch dumpling bamboo steamer 2-tier. This 6-inch bamboo steamer is perfect for cooking dumplings and bao buns. Its 2-tier design helps steam food evenly. Steel reinforcement ensures durability and longevity. The set includes 100 liners, making cleanup easy. Ideal for steaming vegetables and creating delicious dim sum. Enhance your cooking with this practical bamboo steamer. Advantages: efficient steaming preserves nutrients in food. Healthier meals effortlessly. 2-tier design allows simultaneous cooking. Saves time in the kitchen. Steel reinforcement ensures durability. Long-lasting and reliable kitchen tool. Bamboo material provides natural flavor. Enhances taste of dishes. Includes 100 liners for convenience. Easy cleanup after cooking. List number 4. Prime Home Direct Bamboo. Discover the elegance of cooking with the Prime Home Direct Bamboo Steamer Basket. This 10-inch, 2-tier design is perfect for steaming a variety of Asian dishes. Enjoy bao buns, dim sum, and dumplings with ease. The set includes 50 liners, chopsticks, and a sauce dish. Made from natural bamboo, it's eco-friendly and durable. Perfect for healthy meals that retain nutrients and flavor. Advantages: enjoy healthier meals with steam cooking. The Prime Home Direct Bamboo Steamer Basket offers a natural way to prepare food. Steaming keeps nutrients intact, enhancing flavor without added fats. Crafted from eco-friendly bamboo, bamboo is sustainable and safe for food. This steamer is durable and perfect for daily use. Versatility in your kitchen. Use it for Asian dishes like bao buns, dim sum, and dumplings, or steam vegetables and rice with ease. Complete cooking set included. Comes with 50 liners, chopsticks, and a sauce dish. Everything needed for a seamless cooking experience. List number 5. Bamboo Steamer 10-inch 2-tier. Discover the perfect tool for delicious Asian cuisine with the Bamboo Steamer 10-inch 2-tier wooden basket. This steamer offers 2 tiers, allowing you to cook multiple dishes at once. A convenient handle makes handling easy, while the ring adapter fits snugly for efficient steaming. Reusable silicone liners ensure easy cleaning and eco-friendly cooking. Ideal for dumplings, bao buns, dim sum, and vegetables. Enjoy healthy, flavorful meals effortlessly. Advantages: enjoy healthy meals with gentle steam cooking. Retains nutrients well. Cook different dishes simultaneously using the two-tier design. Saves time. Eco-friendly bamboo material. Durable and sustainable choice for kitchens. Convenient handle and ring adapter. Easy and safe to use. Reusable silicone liner. Keeps food from sticking. Easy to clean.